Did you know that the first contact lenses were made from glass? Oh, I know! Imagine having to put glass into your eyes. But this was way back in the 1800s. We don't have to worry about those things anymore. In fact, contact lenses today are better than ever. And that, my friends, brings us to today's unboxing video. Can you guess what it's about? As you might have guessed, yes, we are unboxing contact lenses today. But do not be dismayed. Even contacts can have a unique experience, especially if you're a contacts user like myself. Today's package is from the brand Hubble. Hubble is a subscription-based contacts brand with the goal of making high-quality contact lenses more available and more affordable. Plus, as a subscription service, you get them automatically delivered every month, so you never run out. Let's see what's inside. Hubble Contacts come delivered in a unique mailer box. It has been designed in a custom size, tailored specifically for their products. The mailer box also comes with an easy open strip. It's quite similar to the e-commerce delivery box from Packhelp, but because of this particular size, the open strip is located on the upper wall of the box instead of on the side. Here's a great tip. By creating a custom-sized mailer box, you're removing the empty spaces inside your box and significantly lowering the chance of your products becoming damaged while in transit. You'll also reduce your carbon footprint by reducing the amount of cardboard resources you use. I must say though, I'm a bit surprised that a fun and colourful brand like Hubble created such a minimalist design for their box. Or maybe there's a surprise inside. Let's check it out. Okay, I take that back. Here's where you get all of the Hubble Fun. This box comes with a fun black print of contact lenses on the inside, and in these bad boys, we have the contacts. I really like how they design these product boxes. Other brands in the market create pretty standard boxes with dull colours, but Hubble made things differently. These boxes, similar to Packhelp's classic product boxes, are made in a custom size and come in different colours to keep things interesting. They also have matte foil details and information about the product on the bottom. And last, they include a small instruction manual on how to use your new contacts. This entire experience shows how any brand can create a fun packaging design no matter what they sell. I guess it's true what they say. The best things come in small packages. Hubble's unboxing experience was really inspiring. I'm still surprised how, by using small details like inside print, custom sizes, and vibrant colours, they created such an experience for contact lenses. And I'm sure you can create something just like it for your brand. Remember, all you have to do is be creative, and Packhelp can help you out. Let us know in the link in the description below about your packaging needs. We're curious to know. And that's it for today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!